Solar energy is one of the most abundant sources of energy on Earth, which is why it has gained popularity with homeowners looking to cut costs while investing in renewable energy. So, what do you need to know when considering a solar system for your home? Our SWEPCO experts offer answers to common questions about solar energy.
When you invest into a solar panel system, we have a calculator on our website that will show you a perceived payback. Now bear in mind, that's only taking the initial cost into consideration. The cost of a solar panel system, it can be in the range of $20,000 to as much as $40,000 depending on the size system and the size of your house.
And it will look at your home, it finds your home via satellite, it looks at the roof, it will either suggest a size if you haven't had one quoted to you, or you can input your own information and it will give you years of return on investment analysis for your property.